This is the Blueberry Mountain Trail. It is a steep climb to the summit, and there are 360-degree views. It's really great. Don't let the length fool you. It's only 1.2 miles one way, but it's pretty difficult. Moderate to advanced. Here's some of the description. Almost 3,000 foot elevation. Pause to read. You can see peaks of Jackson, Tumbledown, Weld, and Mount Blue. And you really can see so much up there. And here's the map. So, if you turn onto here, this is the windy, bumpy dirt road. And then this is where you park. Oh, this must be the Bible camp. And here's the trail, 1.2 miles. Okay, here at Blueberry Mountain. Haven't been here in a few years. This is all there is for signage, really. Let's check out what we got. Not much. It's like pretty short. I think it's like just over a mile. But it's got pretty good elevation. And like giant boulders to climb up. I worked all week at my cooking job. Then I mowed all day yesterday. Literally, like all day. And then went and did a weeding job this morning. And then drove over an hour to come out here and do this hike. It's windy out here. Pretty nice. It's pretty hot earlier, but feels good now, especially with the wind. Oh. Oh man. Very steep. We're almost there. And then I think it keeps going. It's just the bend. I don't know if you can see all the way up there. Keeps going up and to the left. We're getting there though. About halfway. Alright, we're still going up. We have a fungus among us. Let me know if you know what that was. So, here's the boulders. Okay. We're up most of the super steep stuff. Super steep stuff. Oh, that feels good. This is the cool trail. That steep part with the rocks is pretty tough, but it's worth it. It's not a beginner trail though. I mean, look at this. It's just crazy. Well, I thought I was done with the steep boulders, but no. I think this is the last stretch though. Check out this little view on the way up. Okay. Got some mushrooms here. Fungus of some sort. See all the bark peeling off. I feel like I haven't seen blue marks in a while. Maybe they're all just peeling off the trees. This is it. Pretty sure there's a blue mark on this tree. Right there. This is really tiring. I remember it being difficult, but I don't know. I guess I'm just older. I mean, I also did work all weekend. And it's just really nice. There's a cool breeze today. And I know there's gonna be a nice view at the top. We're almost there. Here it is. We're at the top. This is why I like this view. It's not the highest in the area, but 360-degree views. Got windmills out there. They're hard to see, but there they are. Just see for miles and miles. Hills, mountains. But it is really nice up here. See you in the next one. Later. We're almost back. I did roll my ankles twice on the way down, but not too bad. I thought the lighting looked good right here. You remember that rack? Probably about a quarter mile away. Out of the steep stuff, back to the flat.